Okay, so the big message is that every guy is just going to watch porn. As a girl, why should I not expect that? Why shouldn't I just join them? Aren't I liberated if I take control and I watch porn as well? What's the big deal?
It's a question I'm often asked. Well, to say every boy watches porn and girls don't watch is again a fallacy. We now know that about 50% of girls would say that they watch porn. It's whether you're a girl or a boy, watching porn, basically what it does is it super stimulates your brain circuits and it makes you think that porn is good sex. It's not. Pornography, for one thing, are people acting.
Yes.
Two, it often uses people as sex slaves or sex trafficking.
Yeah.
So you are really abusing, usually women. It's abusive. Most 80% of porn is violent.
Wow.
And I have talked to girls who would say, I'm 15 and my boyfriend wants to throttle me, because that's part of porn view where, the girls actually asphyxiated, because when you partially asphyxiate or throttle someone, apparently you cut off the oxygen, you have better orgasms. So girls say, my boyfriend wants to spank me. So is this what you want? Do you want to join the people who accept that violence? You may think you're taking control of your body. In actual fact, you are playing into the commodification of your body.
Wow.
That your body will be used like a toy or a tool for somebody else's masturbatory fantasies.
Wow.
And that's what you're doing when you think you're going to watch porn. Because guys and girls begin to think of their body as a commodity, a toy, and boys begin to think of sex as something that is acceptable for a girl to want all those things they see. Number of girls, I used to, now I've given it up, but I used to do counseling, and couples would come to me, and the girl would say, is it okay I'll say it, you can cut it off if you want, for the guy to want anal sex? And I'll say, can you step out? And I'll ask the guy, so how long have you been watching porn?
Yeah.
And so the brain gets wired to accept the unacceptable as normal.
Yeah. Wow. So while people are thinking that they're taking control, they're actually losing control.
They're losing control because their brains are getting wired to accept that which is abnormal as normal.
Yeah. Wow.